In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit and delete time clocks. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise selected. You do need enterprise level permissions to do this, then click on Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Configuration. From the drop-down menu, choose Clocks. You should arrive at a list of your current time clocks. To edit a time clock, click on that time clock's name, and now you can see all of the time clock's details. I could change any of this information. I could change the clock's name, external ID, the location. Maybe I will say on wall with employee entrance because we moved it. I could change the description. It currently says painted bright blue. Maybe it's actually green now, so I can delete blue and say green. This time clock has been given a unique ID. The time zone is Mountain Time. I could change either of those if I needed. Right now, it is deployed to all locations because that is the default. If you want to limit access to only one location, then you need to select one. In this case, this is only for Coffee Shop C, so I'm going to select Coffee Shop C. Then scroll down. You could add a swipe card prefix or ending. You could disable this time clock if it's not up and running right now, or if it's currently disabled, you could check that enabled box to enable it. If you changed your mind and you don't want to make these changes, don't do anything. If you do want to save these changes, click Save. And now those time clock changes have been saved. Notice there's a green save bar at the bottom of your screen, letting you know when you last saved this page. That's how you can edit a time clock. To delete a time clock, scroll back to the top, select the time clock you want to delete, then scroll down and choose Delete. TeamWork 5 is going to make sure you do want to delete this time clock. If you don't, click Cancel. I do, so I'm going to choose OK. And now that Coffee Shop A time clock has been deleted. That's how you can edit and delete time clocks in TeamWork 5. Check out the next video to learn how to view your payroll exports.